Tyagarajan. So I am a product manager from Metrohm India Private Limited. Actually, we are Metrohm, a Swiss-based company, and Metrohm India is a 100% subsidiary of Metrohm Swiss. So we actually cater to the ion analysis instrument, that's basically the chemical analysis instrument. So we have potentiometric titrators, ion exchange chromatography, like spectroscopy instruments, so like that. And so this is one of the instruments which we are actually introducing in the Analytica Anacon. So it's mainly for preparing the mobile phase, which is used for the HPLs. So it is a completely automated system, and it's completely 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. So this instrument actually we are actually introducing in this forum this year. So basically we cater to all the pharma, chemical industries, not only that, so also some petrochemical industries, basically into chemical testing. Yeah.